Hi guys, so welcome back. Today we've got a full MiniTin display for Black Bolt and White Flare. So let's not mess around and get straight into it. Right, so your card and sticker. White Flare up first. So we've got a Hilda, Vanillite and Samurai. No fancy energy. Black Bolt. Think that was an EX peeking there. We've got a Drilber Pokeball, Cabalion and a Zekrom EX. Tin number 2. Yeah, how easy those wraps come on and off. There's no way I'd buy loose tins, only ever a sealed display. Too much chance of being messed with. Black Bolt. These packs just shred. Right, so we've got a Pidove Pokeball, Larvesta and a Genesect EX. Right, so now we've got a Frillish Pokeball, Bullaby and a Keldeo Full Art. Right, so tin number 3. White Flare. So we've got a Swoobat Pokeball, a Trubbish IR and a Jellicent EX. So 3 hits in 1 pack. Black Bolt. We've got Cubchoo, Larvesta and Victini with our first fancy energy. Tin number 4. White flare up first. So we've got a Vanillux, Deerling and a Keldeo EX and the standard energy. Right, so Entplan, Snivy and a Kyurem EX full art with a standard energy. So first half of the box, and we've got 2 full arts, an IR and 4 EXs. So not a bad start. Let's see if we can get something nice though. Tin number 5. Starting off with the white flare. And we've got a Lampent. Oh. Energy Retrieval and a Zoroark. Black Bolt. We've got Algium, Prism Energy and Caracosta. Right, so tin 6. White flare. Mindfu, Shelmet IR and a Gothitelle. And what's that Shelmet doing? Sucking on the hose? Definitely different. Right, Black Bolt. So we've got a Pawniard, Alamomola and a Caracosta. Definitely slower on this video than the last video for the fancy energies. Tin 7. Ooh. That one didn't want to open. Okay, so white flare. So I've got a Terrakion, Pig Knight and Tornadus. Black Bolt. We've got Tranquil, Dynamo and Landorus with a dark fancy energy. Alright, so last tin. Let's get some last tin magic. So let me know how you're doing with the set. Got any big pulls yet? Got your chase. Starting off with the white flare again. Brave Bangle on the Pokeball. Ducklet there on the IR. Do like that one. And Chandelier. Right, so last pack, Black Bolt. We've got Cobalion, Fracture and Volcarona. Right, so we've got ourselves 5 Pokeballs, 2 Fancy Energies, 4 EXs, the Kyurem and the Keldeo on the full arts. Then on the illustration rares, we've got the lovely Ducklet there, the Shelmet and the Trubbish. Right. Oh, hang on. Let's have a look at these. Oh no, not going to bother putting them together. Right. Cheers, guys. See you on the next one.